How to generate a secure key code on HSBC app. In order to generate a secure key code on HSBC app, you want to follow these steps. So basically what you need is, first thing first, you want to open up the HSBC banking app on your device. After which you want to tap on generate security code. You might need to scroll down to find it on the login screen. Then you want to select or choose the code type. That means select the type of code you need, such as log on security code or transaction security code. After which you want to enter the 6-digit secure key pin or use your device's fingerprint face recognition if enabled as shown in the HSBC. Then you can then you could get your code. The temporary security code will appear on your phone screen. Type this code into the corresponding field on the HSBC online banking page to log in or authorize your actions. And that's how you could generate a secure key code on HSBC app. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in our next video.